Question 18 is 3 marks. The question says Bianca asked 40 students which language do they speak or they study. So they say Latin, Greek, or Sanskrit. Do you know anyone who speaks this language? Sanskrit. Now, the question gave you this Venn diagram with the X's on it, and then the question says one student is selected at random. Find the probability that this student studies Latin or Sanskrit. This is 3 marks. The question looks scary. It's very easy. Now, follow me carefully. She asked 40 students. So the total of all these is just 40. So let's add them. What's 5 plus 7? 12. 12 plus 14 is 26. 26 plus, how many x's are here? X plus 2x is 3x, plus 4 is 7x. So 26 plus 7x equals 40 because the total is 40. Ask yourself, 26 plus what makes 40? 26 plus 14 makes 40. That means this 7x is equal to 14. That means x is equal to 2. That's very good job. We did a lot of work. Now, let's just write these in numbers. So the question asks you, what's the probability that a student studied Latin, which is here, or Sanskrit, which is here? I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Is it Sanskrit? Now let's count how many are here in Latin. It's 5 and x. 5. Since x is 2, that means it's just 5 and 2, which is 7. So Latin are 7. Now Sanskrit, 2x, x is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. So Sanskrit are 12, Latin are 7. So the probability it will be Sanskrit, or when they say or, that means you add. Just add them. So it's 7 plus 12, right? Let's just make sure. 7 plus 12, which is 19. So the probability will be 19 over the total, which is 40. And that's your nice 3 marks.